Off with which song?
Flamenco.
Flamenco Frenzy. And can somebody explain to the audience we have here how we play this song, what strings we use, what frets we use? Yes.
You use first fret.
First fret. Which string?
I mean, first string and then first fret.
Fantastic.
And then you play, and the song is from Spain, and the guitars are from Spain.
Fantastic. Yeah, this song's from Spain. This is a flamenco piece from Spain. And these guitars are Spanish guitars as well, aren't they? So it's a really appropriate song to play on these guitars. Could somebody demonstrate, somebody on their own, a solo performance? Yes. Fantastic. Anybody else? Yes. Fantastic. Okay, should we all play this together?
Yeah.
And what are we going to do? We're going to change the volume in this piece, aren't we, to make it more interesting. And what's the word that we use for that?
Dynamics.
Dynamics. So we're going to have some dynamics as well, hopefully. So we're going to work on these dynamics. Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so could we have some more, who could show the audience the lazy song? First of all, how about explaining which strings we use? Which strings do we use? Yes, at that. Fantastic, that's the real names for those strings, isn't it? And we have a numbered system as well. What are the numbers for these strings?
5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4.
Fantastic, okay. And this is a popular song, the Lazy Song. Who's this song by? Pop singer? Bruno Mars, okay. So this is a Bruno Mars song. The audience over here, I think, know the words to this song. 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6.
I've been working with Year 6 this half term, and we've been learning about polyrhythms, and we've been learning African rhythms and putting them together. We've also been learning about ostinatos. What's an ostinato? A repeating pattern. And to keep your concentration while other patterns are happening at the same time is quite tricky. We've also done some composition. We've sort of been writing our own African rhythms, which you'll hear. We're going to start with a cap and logo African rhythm, and then we're going to do the ones Year 6 wrote themselves.
Year 6 as well on the guitar, and we really started playing this instrument and really developing on the guitar. When we start, we often start with one string and one fret, and we don't move around the strings and we don't move too much on the frets. What with the Year 6s, our work's on dexterity, so using fingers independently, it's really important on the guitar. So we need to get to the point where we can use different fingers at the same time and playing different strings as well. And they did really well. This class was really, really great this term. So we're going to start with James Bond, which uses different frets, different strings, and quite an awkward rhythm. So some of the audience, you might recognise this song. Some of the Year 4s have given this a good try as well. Could we have someone explain about James Bond? Yes.
James Bond is start from second string, second fret, and then move on to the third, and move on to the fourth. I mean, do second fret, then take the first sixth string, and then go into the third fret, and then do the sixth string again, and then you go into the fourth fret, and then do the sixth string again, and go back to the third fret, and then carry on like that.
Brilliant. So we start alternating between strings. We're playing eighth notes, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, isn't it? Could we have somebody to demonstrate this piece? Fantastic, well done, brilliant. Okay, round of applause, that was brilliant. So, perfect example, I couldn't have played that any better myself. Different fingers, alternating between different strings and playing perfect eighth notes. So really impressed with some students in this class. We all play it together, okay? So we need to think about timing. It's very quick, this piece as well, and there's lots going on. So here we go, guys, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. And then we moved on to another piece which was similar in its level of difficulty. It's a tricky piece. We're using 2 strings. We worked on a hybrid picking technique, which is quite advanced. And again, these students really took to this really well. I was very impressed. What was the piece? The Black Eyed Peas. What was the song called? I've Got a Feeling, yeah, okay. So it's a melodic piece using 2 strings at the same time. Could somebody demonstrate this? Yes. Second string. Brilliant. A 1,